Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Millie and today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a garter tab cast on using a provisional cast on. A garter tab cast on is used at the beginning of a triangular shawl. So this is the top of your shawl right here, and that is where you do the garter tab cast on. So it's usually 3 stitches that you build up to make 9, and then you start your increases following the pattern that you're using. So there are many free patterns. This is a free pattern. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So if you would like to practice, and this pattern uses only one skein, and it's available as a free download on Ravelry. So I'm going to leave a link if you're interested in trying out this pattern. For the materials, we are going to need yarn in 2 colors because we are doing it using a provisional cast on. If you are using a regular garter tab cast on, you would just need your main color. But in our case today, we are going to need a contrasting color and a main color. And then we are going to need a crochet hook to match the yarn that you're using. I'm using a 4-weight, and this is a 5mm crochet hook. And I'm also using double point knitting needles for my demonstration. So to begin, we are going to make a chain of 6 using our waste yarn. So we'll start by making a slip knot. And then we'll chain 6. And then using our scissors, we'll cut off that, and we don't need this anymore, so we'll put it aside. And so we have our chain, and we are going to pick up 3 stitches from here. One, two, 3. And then we are going to need 7 rows. That's row 1. Row 2. That's 3. Four. 5. 6. And we have our 7 rows, and we are going to pick up 3 stitches from this side and then 3 stitches from the cast on edge. So you can use your knitting needle to pick up if it's easier for you, or you can use your other knitting needles to help you out. And I'm going to use my knitting needles, my other knitting needle, because I always have problems picking up. So that's 1, 2, 3, And then we need these 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And this is always a little bit hard, so take your time. Okay. Okay, so we have 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the next step will be to cut off this scrap yarn down here. So using your scissors, cut off the yarn and be careful not to cut your main yarn. That's why it's in a different color. Makes it easier to see, and then just pull out the yarn and you have your garter tab cast on, and from here you are going to follow your pattern for your increases and continue building up this into a big triangle, which will be your shawl. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy knitting.